Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso machine. Now this machine was broken because it had 3 flashing lights over here and no water was coming out. So that was basically this pump that was going bad and the flow meter wasn't detecting any water. That's why the error was there. So pretty much we replaced the water pump. It's the older one in here, and now we pretty much don't see any errors or anything. We're just gonna turn it on and off just to pretty much demonstrate that. And now it's gonna go back on. I've been testing this machine for the past hour pretty much and had no problems already. A bunch of coffee and the machine's been working so far pretty good. So let's do 1 shot of espresso. There's a steamer or water. Okay, as you can see, really good water flow, good color, working perfectly fine. Almost 2 ounces, really good. And now let's test the hot water and pretty much the steamer as well. The water working perfectly fine. And for the steamer, it's going to take a little bit since it needs to build some pressure inside, but we're definitely going to be able to see that as soon as it gets to pressure.
Yeah, let me know. Can I just do it over the phone
See, now that it's getting some pressure in there. You can see the steamer working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.